Hello student, welcome to the topic quadratic equations, third lecture. We are going to do some problems of exercise 5.2. I have written problems here, question number 17, 19, 23 and 24. Now let us start question number 17, first part, and it is given here. Now, to solve this quadratic equation, we have to convert it into standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, first of all, we have to convert it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, x and x square LCM is x square, this will be 2, and if you divide this we have x multiplied to 5, this becomes 5x plus 2 equal to 0. X square and x LCM of both the denominator is x square. We have 1 and 1 multiplied to 2, we have 2 minus divide this by x, we left x and multiplied x to 5, we have 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now multiply this to this implies that 2 minus 5x plus 2x square equal to 0. Now this can be again written as 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. This has been converted in this form. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Here the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant is 2, sign of constant is plus. First of all we have to multiply 2 and 2 and 2 equal to 4. And now we have to find out 2 factor of this 4, which sum is equal to 5. This 4 can be written as 4 into 1 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. We have to replace 4 plus 1 at place of 5 in this quadratic equation, and we will be able to factorize it into 2 linear factors. Now, here 2x square minus, at place of 5 we have 4 plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, open this bracket. If you open this bracket, you have 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to find out common from the first two term and the next two term. Common from the first two term will be 2x. We have here x and 2 to the 4 minus 2. There is no common in this other than 1, so we have to take common 1, and if you take common 1 with minus sign, this will become plus here and this plus sign become minus, so this can be x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 and x minus 2 will be common. Take common x minus 2, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the product of these two factor is 0. If this is 0 or this is 0, so take this x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now transpose 2 to the right and solve this. You have x equal to 2, or solve this, you have x equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the solution of this quadratic equation is x equal to 2 and half. Now in part is x square upon 15 minus x by 3 minus 10 equal to 0. Then you have to convert this quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 as we have done in the first part. Now LCM of 15 and 3 will be equal to 15, and if you divide this by this, you have 1 multiplied to this become x square, and divide 15 by 3, we have 3 5 are 15 and 5 multiplied to x, here we have 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Now solve this. We have multiplied this to this, we have x square minus 5x minus 10 into 15 upon 15 equal to 0. Now this can be written as x square minus 5x minus 150 and multiply this to 0, this will be 0. Now here is 150 with minus sign, constant is with minus sign. We have to form two factor of this such that the difference of both the factors should be equal to 5. This 150 can be written as 15 into 10, and difference of 15 and 10 will be equal to 5. So you have to write 15 minus 10 at place of 5 means the coefficient of middle term, so that we can split this middle term to factorize this quadratic polynomial. Now let us put 15 minus 10 at 5. We have x square minus 15 minus 10 into x minus 15 into 10 equal to 0. This 150 can be written as 15 into 10, which gives x square minus, open this bracket, this becomes minus 15x, and this minus minus become plus 10x minus 15 into 10 equal to 0. Now we have to find out common from the first two term and the next two term. In the first two term, common will be x, here will be x, and here 15 plus 10 will be common. In these two terms, x minus 15 equal to 0. Now x minus 15 and x minus 15 will be common. So take common x minus 15, x plus 10 equal to 0. Now the product of these two would be 0. If this is 0 or this is 0, so this can be written as x minus 15 equal to 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0. Now solve this linear equation. This gives x equal to 15 or this gives x equal to minus 10. Therefore the solution of quadratic equation is x equal to 15 and minus 10. Question number 19 is 8 upon x plus 3 minus 3 upon 2 minus x equal to 2. Now this we have to also convert into standard form of quadratic equation. So take LCM of these two. We have x plus 3 and 2 minus x. If you divide this by this, we have this multiplied to this, 8 into 2 minus x minus 3 into, divide this by this, we have this, x plus 3 will be multiplied to 3, x plus 3, and this will be equal to 2. Now solve this. We have 8 to the 16 minus 8x minus 3x, 3 3 is 9, minus 9 over multiply this to this will become x into 2, 2x, x multiply to x minus x square, and 3 to 2, 6, and 3 to minus x minus 3x, and this is equal to 2. Now solve this. 16 minus 9, 7. This implies that 16 minus 9, 7, and 8x minus 3x both have the same sign, so this would be added, and this will become 11x over, here we have minus x square, 2x plus sign and 3x minus sign. 2x would be subtracted from 3x, and we have minus x and plus 6 equal to 2. Now this implies that multiply this to 2 by cross multiplication. We have 7 minus 11x equal to 2 into minus x square minus x plus 6. Now multiply this in all term of this expression. We have 7 minus 11x equal to minus 2x square minus 2x, 2 6 are 12 plus 12. Now transpose all these terms to the left hand. The sign of all the terms should be changed. So here we have 7 minus 11x, this will become plus 2x square, this will 2x, and this will become minus 12 equal to 0. Now further simplify it. We have 2x square, and here is minus 11x, and here is 2x. 11x is with minus sign and this is plus sign, so 2 would be subtracted from the 11. We have 9x, and this 7 is with plus sign and this is with minus sign. So from 12, 7 would be subtracted, and it will give minus 5 equal to 0. Now the standard form of the quadratic equation is 2x square minus 9x minus 5 equal to 0. 2x square minus 10 minus 1 into x minus 5 equal to 0. Now open this bracket. We have minus 10x, and this minus minus become plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Now 2x would be common here, so take 2x common. Here we have x, and 2 5 are 10 minus 5. Here there is no common other than 1, so 1 would be common, and we have x minus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 5 and x minus 5 would be common. X minus 5 and x minus 5, take this common, and we are left here 2x plus 1, so second factor would be 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now the product of these two would be 0. You know that either this is 0 or this is 0, so equate both equal to 0. We have x minus 5 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now solve this. This gives x equal to plus 5, or this gives x equal to minus 1 by 2. This is final answer or solution of the quadratic equation, this one. Solution of question number 19, second part is this. Now solve this, multiply this to this, we have x square, and this to this we have x minus 1 whole square upon x into x minus 1, and convert it into improper fraction. This will become 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Now solve this. we have x square plus expand this x square plus 1 square means 1 minus 2x upon x square minus x equal to 5 by 2. Cross solve it. This will become x square 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus x equal to 5 by 2. Taking cross multiply, we have 2x square minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2 equal to x square minus x multiplied by 5. Now multiply 2 all these terms, we have 2 2 ja 4 x square minus 2 2 ja 4x plus 2 equal to 5x square minus 5x. Transpose these terms to the right hand side. We have 5x square minus 5x. This will be minus 4x square plus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. This is the right. 5x square minus 5x, and when this go to the right hand side, this will become minus 4x square, minus 4x become plus 4x, plus 2 become minus 2 equal to 0. Now subtract 4x square from 5x square, we have x square. This is 5x with minus sign, this is 4x plus sign, so this would be subtracted from this. This will become minus x, and here we have minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation and have the value of x. Now the constant is minus 2. We have to find out two factors of minus 2 so that the difference of both the factor is equal to 1. So 2 can be written as 2 into 1, and 2 minus 1 would be equal to 1, and this one is the coefficient of x. This one at the place of coefficient of middle term, we have x square minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X square minus 2x, this minus minus become plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now seek common in the first two term, and the next two term we have common here x minus 2, and there is no common other than 1. See above both the term, so 1 would be common, and we have x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x minus 2 and x minus 2 would be common. This will become x minus 2 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Now either this 0 or this 0, taking 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. Solve this. This will gives x equal to 2, and this gives x equal to minus 1. Now the solution of the given equation is x equal to and minus 1. Question number 23, first part is this. Now to solve this, we have to take common of these two. Sorry, LCM of these two. X plus 6, x minus 10 would be LCM. Divide this by this. We have x minus 10 multiplied to 1 become x minus 10, and divide this by this, x plus 6 equal to 3 upon x minus 4. Now x and x would be equal to 2x, and this is minus, this is plus, so 10 minus 6 would be 4. X multiplied to x, this become x square, and x multiplied to 10 minus 10x. 6 multiplied to x, this is 6x, minus 6 into 10 equal to 3 upon x minus 4. X multiplied to x, this is x square, x multiplied to minus 10, minus 10x, 6 multiplied to x, 6x, and 6 multiplied to minus 10, 6 into 10. Now the right hand side is this. Now simplify this. We have 2x minus 4 upon x square minus 10x and plus 6x minus 4x minus 60 equal to 3 upon x minus 4. Now to solve this, simplify further, take cross multiply, multiply this to this. We have 2x minus 4 into x minus 4 equal to 3 into this, 3 into x square minus 4x minus 60. First of all, we have to multiply this. X multiplied to 2x square, this will become 2x square minus 4x. This minus 4 multiplied to 8, minus 4 to the 8x, and this minus multiplied to minus 4, this will become 4 4 the 16. Minus minus become plus, equal to 3x square minus 3 4 the 12x, and this will become 180. Now solve further it. This will become 2x square minus 4 or 8, 12x, sign of both are same, so both would be added, and 4x, 8x become 12x, plus 16 is equal to 3x square minus 12x minus 180. Now both side minus 12x and minus 12x both have same sign, so here they will be cancelled out, and we left here 2x square plus 16 equal to 3x square minus 100 minus 2x square minus 180 minus 16 equal to 0. 2x square would be subtracted from this will give x square minus this will become 196 equal to 0. Now this can be written as x square equal to 7 into 7 into 2 into 2, and this will give x square equal to 7 into 2 whole square. Now this can be written as x square equal to 7 into 7 into 2 into 2, and this can be written as x square equal to 7 into 2 whole square. Now further this can be written as x square equal to 14 square, therefore x would be equal to plus minus root over 14 square, and this gives x equal to plus minus 14. So the solution of quadratic equation would be equal to x equal to plus 14 and minus 14. Question number 24, second part is this. To solve this, first of all we have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have what we have, x minus 7 equal to 3 square 9 and square of 2 root 2 equal to 2. Now multiply this. This will become x square minus 7x equal to 18. Now transpose 18 to the left hand. We have x square minus 7x minus 18 equal to 0. Now it is very simple equation. We have to factorize 18 in such a way that the difference of both factor equal to 7. So this 18 can be written as 9 into 2 and difference of 9 minus 2 will be equal to 7. So at place of 7 we can write 9 minus 2. So this implies that x square minus 9 minus 2 into x minus this 18 can be written as 9 into 2 equal to 0. Now open this bracket. This will become x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 9 into 2 equal to 0. Take common. Here will be common x minus 9 plus 2 x minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 9 would be common. X minus 9 x plus 2 equal to 0. This gives x minus 9 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, the solution of the quadratic equation is either x equal to 9 or x equal to minus 2. Okay student, rest problem of this exercise 5.2 you have to do yourself, and exercise 5.2 now supposed to be completed. Thank you for watching.